Welcome home to Good Father House Design. Today, let us step together into a resort-style modern sanctuary. Feel the gentle tropical breeze. Watch the golden light play on raw concrete. And find a moment of true peace in this elegant design. Let us begin our tour. As we approach, the warm oak wood accents and raw concrete exterior stand proudly against the tropical sky, creating a striking contrast between organic texture and bold modern lines. Walk with me along the floating stone pathway through the lush front yard. Open the heavy timber door that grounds the entrance, and step into the sunlit foyer. Instantly, the expansive view of the tranquil living room opens up before us, making us feel completely at home and deeply connected to the nature outside. Inside, the double-height living room embraces us with its soft beige plaster walls and soaring timber ceilings that draw the eye upward, creating an incredible sense of grand, airy space. Sunlight filters softly through the high windows, casting delicate, dancing leaf shadows across the comfortable minimal lounge below. Every element here is carefully curated to invite relaxation, creating a serene environment where the boundary between nature and shelter beautifully disappears into a single breath of fresh, tropical air. Moving deeper into the heart of the home, we discover the central courtyard, where a still koi pond beautifully reflects the calm, ever-changing sky above. High-end raw concrete stepping stones float gracefully over the water's surface, bordered by delicate, lush ferns that thrive in the moisture. Standing on the warm timber deck, the gentle trickle of water echoes softly against the pavilion walls, bringing a quiet, meditative rhythm that completely washes away the busyness of the day. Beside the courtyard lies the open kitchen and dining area, wrapped in beautiful light oak cabinetry that radiates organic warmth. A seamless, custom-crafted raw concrete island sits proudly as the functional heart of this space, illuminated from above by minimalist pendant lights that cast a soft, ambient glow. Sitting at the elegant timber table with a direct view of the peaceful courtyard, the boundary between cooking and living completely fades, turning every family meal into a slow, peaceful celebration. In the master suite, soft beige plaster walls and a low platform bed offer a quiet, restorative refuge from the outside world. Sliding wooden screens open gracefully to a private terrace, inviting the gentle morning sun and a fresh tropical breeze to fill the space. Step into the open-air ensuite bathroom, a masterpiece of spa-like design, where a deep concrete tub sits under a canopy of lush green leaves, creating a peaceful bathing experience where you can truly unwind under the open sky.